Important 5 more question and answers. Question number 1. Trace the reason for the formation of BRICS and write its objectives. BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa are leading emerging economies and political powers at the regional and international level. The BRICS organization's headquarters is in Shanghai, China. BRICS opened up a possibility for countries of the global south to challenge the global north. India is an active member and this collaboration paves way for India to build its global profile. Reason for the formation of BRICS: to be an alternative to World Bank and IMF to challenge US supremacy, to provide self-owned and self-managed organizations to carry out developmental and economical plans in its member nations. Objectives of BRICS: to achieve regional development. It acts as a bridge between developed and developing countries, to contribute extensively to development of humanity, to establish a more equitable and fair world, boost intra-BRICS trade in their local currencies to increase trade cooperation and cope with the current international financial crisis, to promote the technological information exchange among the member states, to enhance inclusive economic growth that will lead to an increase in the creation of jobs, fight against poverty and accelerate the economic transformation of members. Question number 2. Discuss the core determinants of India's foreign policy. Basic determinants of a foreign policy: geographical position and size of territory, nation's history, traditions and philosophical basis, natural resources, the compulsion of economic development, political stability and structure of government, the necessity of peace, disarmament and non-proliferation of nuclear weapons, military strength, international milieu. The foreign policy stance of India: supporting the cause of decolonization, staunch opponent of the apartheid regime in South Africa, accepted the importance of defense preparedness. This sits in India's policy manifesto in various ways. Better relations with China, the Look East policy. The second nuclear test at Pokhran in Rajasthan. Defense procurement relationship with Israel. Energy diplomacy with Arab countries and Iran. Agreeing to US nuclear missile defense program. India's vote against Iran at the International Atomic Energy Agency. Basic concepts of India's foreign policy: preservation of national interest, achievement of world peace, disarmament, fostering cordial relationship with other countries, solving conflicts by peaceful means, independence of thought and actions as per the principle of norm, equality in conducting international relations, anti-colonialism, anti-imperialism, anti-racism. Thank you. Stay connected for remaining questions. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.